Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simon Samuel here. So guys, today we will study about chapter 3, which is formatting a worksheet. In this we will learn about how we change our column width and how we apply the themes, formatting number and etc. So let's move forward. We will so This video of the changing column width has 7 projects, but I will make sure to make 2 parts of this video. So in that way, you can learn a lot, like you can practice it and for you guys to make it easy. So let's begin our work. So as you can see, my Excel sheet is just the simple Excel sheet. So in project, let's suppose it's this video this project has 7 projects, so I will convert into 2 parts that can be 3 or 4 or 5 or 2, or maybe like 3 3 and 1. So let's see. So now we will start our project. So the topic for this project will be changing column width using a column boundary line. So first we will insert a formula in cell D2 that multiplies B2 and C2. Press the enter key. Now with the help of the fill handle, we will drag the formula to D14. Now we will change the boundary. We will position the mouse pointer on the column boundary between D and E until it turns into a double-headed arrow pointing left or right, which is this one, left or right. It turns into a double-headed arrow. Click and hold down the left mouse button and drag the column boundary line to the right until the width changes into 11 with the megapixel 128 pixels, and then release the mouse button. Now we will make cell D15 active and we will insert the formula that sum up the ranges D2 to D14 and then press enter. Now we'll change the width of column A and B by completing the following steps. Select column A and B. Well, to do this, position the cell pointer on the column A header. Click and hold. And same with the B. Now we will position the pointer on the column boundary line and between A and B until it turns into a double-headed arrow pointing left or right. Now click and hold down the left button and drag it to the column boundary line to turn until width 10.33. 10.33. Or maybe any closer number, that is this one. Okay. Now we will adjust the width of column C to accommodate the longest entry by double clicking the column boundary line between C and D. Okay, now save your work. So this is how we used to change our column width, and now we will change the column width at the column width dialog box. So we will change the width of column A by completing the following steps. Make any cell active in column A. Click the format button in the cell group. Format button in the cell group. So this is our format button in the cell group. This is our cell group. On the home tab and then click the column width. So I hit the format button and select the column width. Add the drop down list. So the column width dialog box, we will type 12.7 in the column width measurement box, and we will click OK to close the dialog box. Make cell B, make any cell, like we will make any cell in column B active, and then change the width of column B to 1.25 characters by completing steps similar to those step 1. So we will go in our cell group and hit the format button and change the column width up to 12.5 and click OK to close the dialog box. And same with the C, click any cell and go to the home group, click the format button and click the format column width, and we will change the width of column C to 8 characters by completing the following steps. So just put 8 and click OK to close the dialog box and save the work. Make sure you guys keep saving your work. So now project 3 of this video is changing row height. So these are columns on the top horizontally, and these are rows vertically. So we will change the row height by completing the following steps. Position the cell pointer in the row header on the row boundary line between 1 and 2. So until it turns into double-headed arrow pointing up and down. So when you are pointing the cell pointer in between these row, it will turn up and down, and when you are doing this, it will go left and right. So I want to change for row 1 and 2. Click and hold down the left button, drag it to drag the row boundary line down until height 19.80. 19.19. 19, oops, sorry, 19 point. So you see, it's kind of hard. Like when you are dragging, it doesn't like work that way. So it's better, to change through the dialog box. So we will go to our dialog box by clicking any button in the Excel sheet. We will make cell A active, and we will click the format button in the cell group on the home tab, and then click the format and then select the row height at the drop down list. So at the row height dialog box, we will type uh, 20. It changes only one row. So for this, If you want to change all the rows, so click the column header and go to the format and then change the row up to, hold on, I don't want all these cells, so I will select my entry from 1 to 15 and I want to change it to row height 20. So you see, now it's good, it looks good. So I think that's it for today. The next four parts we will cover in our next video. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. So kindly do subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and do share it because sharing is caring. Till then, take care, bye bye. And say, don't forget to save your work. So save it. And then take care, guys. Do practice it. It's not a rocket science. It's really easy. So these are just the basics we are discussing right now. So afterwards, in chapter 4 or 5, we will be inserting formulas and conditions and a lot of stuff. So you're gonna learn a lot of things about Excel, or like a lot of new things about Excel. For this is for just the beginners. Like I want to show them how they can work and how does like Excel works. So okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.